Hello, everyone. My name is Robbie Dodenbeer, and I am in the online version of this class. I currently live in Harriman, Utah, in the country of the United States. My major is computer information technology, and I am in my second to last semester, hoping to complete everything after the spring semester. The reason why I'm taking this course is I'm taking this as an elective. I've actually enjoyed a lot of the CSS, JavaScript, HTML classes I've taken up to this point, and the little bit of PHP that we did in CIT 230 kind of intrigued me, and I kind of like the idea of some back-end web development. So, kind of wanted to take this course and just kind of see where it went, and I'm pretty excited to kind of learn and grow on what I've done to this point. Long-term goals regarding web development. I actually work in a software company already. I'm in the implementation side of things, and as part of that, we do need to do a small amount of CSS and kind of JavaScript manipulation. Very, very small, but the more I can learn, the better I can be at that job, and um, like hopefully get raises and promotions. Um, Something unique about myself is I'm actually turning 40 this year. I'm excited about that. And the one thing I want to do for my 40th birthday is go to Disney World. I'm kind of a Disney kind of addict. I'm already watching videos with my kids on the parks and places we want to go to, and walking around the each one of the parks, watching full-length videos on people just walking around the parks. It annoys my wife to no end, but it's just kind of one of those weird things about me. She knew what she was getting into when she married me. Um, One of the greatest strengths that I think I bring into this class is I do have a strong SQL background. I do write a lot of SQL reports at my job, um, and I've in last semester we had to build a Java application that worked inside of an Android app that called the database, and I had to kind of write the database from scratch. And so I've got some experiences with creating databases and whatnot. So I'm just excited to see what I can do with that in this class. And then lastly, just one of my perceived weaknesses. I'm not the best when it comes to actual website design. I can build it, but the actual design and colors and placement and things like that, those are things I think I can definitely learn and kind of use help on. And I think I do decent, but definitely not one of my strong suits. I'm more into the actual coding and back end stuff. That's where I get a little bit more excitement. So that's a little about myself. I'm looking forward to um, reading what everyone else is, or watching what everyone else's videos, and getting to know everybody. Thank you.